Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have another HOMOST gel nail polish set to show you guys. This is a color changing and it also has glitter, so I'm very happy about this one. So you can see right there on the little labels, it shows you the colors that it changes to. And this is always their packaging. I love it. I can't say enough. I'm so happy with these gels. It's also a 6-piece with 8 mils and the little instruction manual like always. I'm just showing you guys one by one here so you guys can take a look at all the colors, and of course I'll be swatching them out for you so you guys can check each of them out. I did wanted to try out to see if they did actually change, and they do, so that's super awesome. Of course you guys know that these are UV LED curable and they are soak off, so that is also a plus. You guys can find these on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. If you're interested, check them out. They're very inexpensive and great quality. And then I did want to tell you guys, if you added this on top of a color, it would be so much better than just applying it on your natural nail, just because you want to be able to see that color change. And if you just apply it on your nail, it's not really gonna show that much. So definitely recommend it, applying it over your nail color. So this is what they look like, and I am absolutely in love with these. They're so pretty. I can't tell you guys enough about this brand. I am loving all their sets that they have, and like I said, a little goes a long way. They're very inexpensive, and you guys get to get this little manual, which I already have just one. I throw all the others out because they have all the instructions for everything, and this is just how beautiful they turned out. I love them. They only have one coat, so make sure you apply more than 2 coats if you want. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.